Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Matic from Kraken to Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding Matic on Kraken and want to move it to Coinbase for better management or trading, this guide is perfect for you. It's a straightforward process, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups in the crypto world. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Kraken and Coinbase, and that you have some Matic in your Kraken wallet. Start by logging into your Kraken account securely. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Funding section. It's usually in the top menu. Next, select Matic from the list of available assets. Kraken might show it as Matic or Polygon, so keep an eye out. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there could be withdrawal fees, so check Kraken's fee schedule to avoid surprises. The key step is getting your Coinbase wallet address. Switch to your Coinbase account, go to your Matic wallet, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it's for the Polygon network, as Matic transactions require this to go through smoothly. Back on Kraken, paste that address into the withdrawal form and double-check it. Typos can lead to lost funds. You'll then need to confirm the transaction, which might involve two-factor authentication or an email verification for security. Once confirmed, sit tight. Withdrawals typically take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to Coinbase and refresh your wallet to see when the Matic arrives. A quick tip: always use the correct network and keep an eye on gas fees, especially with Matic on the Polygon chain. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you next time.